In this particular free course, I will going to teach you how you can create faceless YouTube videos using AI tools. Okay, so we will be using lots of AI tools like ChatGPT to write a script, how to convert video. So each and everything has been covered here. Okay, so I will just going to explain you each and everything, like how to get the idea, how to get the script, how to convert the script to the video, how to generate the thumbnail with AI, how to rank the SEO with the AI, okay, and plenty of things, like you can convert the face to AI. Like for example, here this is the normal video, okay, which you can see. This video is 3 seconds, and I just converted this video into something like this. This video is 3 seconds. So this is how you can use some faceless YouTube tools that can help you to generate videos without showing your face, okay? And also you can just create long form videos as well, complete using AI. So if you guys are interested to learn how to create faceless YouTube videos with AI tools, okay, so make sure you watch this complete free course. We will basically going to use all the free tools, but they are absolutely not free. Like Canva, it is free, but some has some upgrades, some has free trials, okay, but we have tried our 100% to use those very powerful tools that can really help you out. So make sure you watch this complete free course from starting to end. This will really going to help you to create faceless YouTube videos for your YouTube channels, or maybe for any other YouTube purpose you want to create video for, okay?